Good morning, guys. Just reprinted the Hoopoe bird. I've probably got that pronunciation all wrong. Black filament today.
Hi guys, I did this little bird a while back, a Hoopoe I think it's called, and it's one of those ones that I printed a little bit too thin, so I had to glue everything together to make it stay together, and I had to reprint that bit that holds them all together, and by that time I'd changed to black filament. But I did say in that video that I would reprint it thicker, which I did, but I forgot to do the update video, so I'll keep this short. This is just printed slightly thicker. So it holds itself together without glue. Let's see if we can remember how that went together. It goes through the middle. In fact, even this one could be a tiny bit thicker. Still move around a little bit, but once that piece is in place, that locks it all together. And there we go. Done. I'll just move the camera for a close-up. So yeah, that's just that little bit thicker. So it clips together like the original wooden one would have done. Whereas that one was just a bit too thin. And I had to glue it to make it stay together. That's it, just a quick update.
Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.